Billy's Day. Billy and Sam are in Billy's bedroom.
It's time for school, Billy.
It's okay, Sam. I don't go to school on Sunday.
It's Monday, Billy.
Oh, what time is it?
It's 8:30.
Billy and Sam are on the bus.
When does Billy get up?
He gets up at 8:30. He has breakfast at 8:45. He eats on the bus.
Billy is in the classroom.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my hair.
What do you do in the morning, Billy? I run.
On Tuesday morning,
What time is it, Sam? Sam?
it's Billy's birthday. He's got a watch.
Happy birthday, Billy.
It's 7:30. Thank you.